a cosmic dance of discovery, the Kavli Prize. This prestigious award recognizes the most groundbreaking achievements in the fields of astrophysics, nanoscience, and neuroscience. The universe is vast, full of mysteries, from the grand expanse of galaxies to the intricate dance of subatomic particles. The quest for knowledge knows no bounds. But sometimes the greatest discoveries are not found in the distant corners of space. They are found in the minute details of our everyday world. They are hidden in the smallest particles, the building blocks of our world. These tiny wonders hold the secrets to revolutionary advancements. The Kavli Prize celebrates those pioneers, the visionaries who push the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. The scientists and engineers who dare to explore the infinitesimal. Their relentless curiosity drives humanity forward. Their discoveries, like distant supernovae, illuminate our understanding of the cosmos. They shed light on the fundamental principles that govern our universe and our place within it. These insights help us comprehend our origins and our future. In 2024, the Kavli Prize in Nanoscience honors a remarkable group of scientists. Their work is not just theoretical, it has practical, life-changing applications. They are the architects of a new era in medicine, an era where the impossible becomes possible, an era where tiny machines navigate the human body. These nanobots are designed to perform precise tasks at a cellular level, seeking out and destroying disease at its root. This innovation promises to transform healthcare, offering new hope for countless patients around the world. Imagining the very small, the genesis of nanotechnology. Our journey begins with a visionary, a man who dared to imagine the manipulation of matter at the atomic level. His name was Richard Feynman. In 1959, Feynman gave a legendary lecture. It was titled, "There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom." His words sparked a revolution in how we think about the very small. Feynman envisioned a world where machines could build things atom by atom, where the impossible could become possible. It was a bold vision, a vision that would eventually give rise to the field of nanotechnology. From transistors to nanotubes, a quantum leap. The early years of nanotechnology were marked by breakthroughs, the invention of the transistor, the development of the scanning tunneling microscope. Each discovery brought us closer to Feynman's dream. Then came the discovery of carbon nanotubes. These tiny cylinders of carbon atoms possessed remarkable properties, incredible strength, unique electrical conductivity. They were a material like no other. Carbon nanotubes opened up a world of possibilities. Scientists began to explore their potential in electronics, material science, and medicine. The nanotechnology revolution was in full swing. The Architects of the Invisible, 2024 Kavli Prize winners. The 2024 Kavli Prize in Nanoscience honors 3 extraordinary scientists. They are pioneers in the field of nanomedicine. Their names are etched in the annals of scientific history. These scientists have developed groundbreaking techniques for delivering drugs with pinpoint accuracy, for creating nanoparticles that can image the body at the cellular level. Their work is transforming medicine, giving us new weapons in the fight against disease. Section 5, Nanomedicine, a revolution in cancer treatment. In recent years, the field of nanomedicine has emerged as a groundbreaking approach to tackling one of humanity's most formidable foes, cancer. A word that strikes fear into our hearts. It is a relentless disease that has touched the lives of nearly everyone, either directly or indirectly. A disease that affects millions worldwide. The statistics are staggering, with new cases being diagnosed every day across the globe. But what if we could fight cancer at its source? Imagine a world where we could intervene at the cellular level, stopping the disease before it spreads. What if we could target cancer cells directly without harming healthy tissue? This would revolutionize the way we approach cancer treatment, minimizing side effects and improving patient outcomes. This is the promise of nanomedicine. By harnessing the power of nanoparticles, we can create highly targeted therapies that seek out and destroy cancer cells with precision, and it is rapidly becoming a reality. Researchers around the world are making significant strides in this field, bringing us closer to a future where cancer is no longer a death sentence. Thanks to the groundbreaking work of scientists like the 2024 Kavli Prize winners. Nanoparticles are tiny particles. Their contributions have paved the way for new treatments that were once thought impossible, thousands of times smaller than the width of a human hair. These minuscule particles can navigate the human body with ease, reaching areas that traditional treatments cannot. They can be engineered to carry drugs to target specific cells. This level of precision ensures that the treatment is delivered exactly where it is needed, sparing healthy cells and reducing side effects, and to release their payload only when they reach their destination. This targeted approach not only enhances the effectiveness of the treatment, but also opens up new possibilities for curing other diseases in the future. Section 6. The Magic Bullet, Targeted Drug Delivery. Imagine a magic bullet, a bullet that can seek out and destroy cancer cells without harming any healthy tissue. This is the goal of targeted drug delivery. Using nanotechnology, scientists can create nanoparticles that act like these magic bullets. These nanoparticles are coated with special molecules that recognize and bind to specific proteins found on the surface of cancer cells. Once bound, the nanoparticles deliver their payload of anti-cancer drugs directly into the cancer cell, killing it from within. This targeted approach minimizes side effects and improves treatment outcomes. Section 7. Illuminating the darkness, nanoscale imaging. To treat cancer effectively, we need to see it, to track its growth, and to monitor the effectiveness of treatment. But traditional imaging techniques have limitations. They often lack the resolution to see individual cells. Nanotechnology is revolutionizing medical imaging. Scientists have developed nanoparticles that act like tiny beacons. These nanoparticles can be designed to accumulate in tumors, where they light up under certain imaging techniques. This allows doctors to see tumors in exquisite detail, even tumors that are too small to be detected by conventional methods. Nanoscale imaging is transforming the way we diagnose and treat cancer. Section 8. A future shaped by nanobots. The promise of personalized medicine. The future of nanomedicine is filled with promise. Scientists envision a day when tiny nanobots will patrol our bodies, seeking out and destroying disease before it can take hold. These nanobots will be programmed to recognize specific cells, to deliver drugs, and even to perform surgery at the cellular level. This is the ultimate goal of personalized medicine, to tailor treatments to each individual patient. Nanomedicine has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, to treat diseases that are currently incurable, and to extend human lifespan. It is a future worth striving for. Section 9. Ethical considerations, navigating the nano world. As we venture deeper into the nano world, we must proceed with caution. Nanotechnology raises ethical concerns about safety, privacy, and the potential for misuse. We must ensure that nanotechnology is used responsibly, that it benefits all of humanity, and that it does not exacerbate existing inequalities. The ethical implications of nanotechnology must be carefully considered. Section 10. A universe within, the unending frontier of nanoscience. The universe is full of wonders, vast and mysterious, stretching beyond our wildest imaginations. From the largest galaxies that span light years to the smallest atoms that form the building blocks of matter. And sometimes, the smallest things can have the biggest impact, altering the course of science and technology. The 2024 Kavli Prize in Nanoscience reminds us of the power of human ingenuity, celebrating those who push the boundaries of what we know. of our ability to unlock the secrets of the universe, one atom at a time, revealing the hidden mechanisms of nature, and to use that knowledge to improve our lives, from medical advancements to new materials that can change industries. The nano world is a universe unto itself, a realm where the rules of physics and chemistry take on new forms, full of possibilities waiting to be explored, each discovery opening new doors to innovation. As we continue to unlock its secrets, we can look forward to a future where disease is conquered and health is enhanced, and where the human potential is limitless, driven by the endless curiosity and determination to explore the unending frontier of nanoscience.